Hi, this is Daniel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change color of any object in the Photoshop. In our case, let's say that we would like to change the color of those bananas. First of all, we need to select the object we want to change color of. So for this I will go for the quick tool. In your case you can choose any of the other selection tool or even those more advanced from the newer Photoshop. Then of course I will make sure that my layer with those bananas is selected, and I will select all of those bananas. As soon as I'm sure that everything I want to change color of is selected, I can create new group at the bottom right by clicking on this icon, and then I will create the mask of an selected object by clicking on this icon. As we already created the mask, I can go towards this middle tool between the mask and the group. So I will click on this create new fill or adjustment layer, and I will choose solid color. Here we can choose what will be the final color of those bananas. Okay, so let's say that we would like to change the color of bananas to this kind of blue. I will click on OK, but as you can see at the moment we simply change the color of the mask, not of those bananas itself. So another thing we want to actually do is add the new layer with the brightness and contrast. But as you can see, still nothing changed. So let's go back to color fill and make sure that the color fill layer is about the brightness and the contrast. So just like this. Then go towards this drop down menu to select the right blending mode. And here I prefer to go even towards the hue or towards the color. In our case, as we are changing the color of the subject, I'm going for the color. And as you can see, we already changed the color of those bananas. But in case you would like to play with those settings a little bit more, you can go towards the brightness and contrast we just added few seconds ago. And in our case, let's say that we would like to make those bananas look a little bit darker. So I will decrease the brightness. And also I will increase the contrast a little bit to bring up the shadows and the texture of those bananas. Okay, but that's it. This is how you can easily change color of any object in Photoshop in seconds. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found here what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all of the support, and see you all next time.